Hi dear channel viewers. Today we will talk about geologists don't think in maps, they think in 3D. What does it mean? Our topic is relevant enough. Watch carefully. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel before going to the topic. Let's get started. Many people think geology simply works with maps. In reality, a geologist's main job is to understand a hidden world beneath the Earth's surface. We can only observe limited information at the surface, but we use that information to imagine geological structures hundreds or even thousands of meters underground. That is why geologists don't think in 2D, they think in 3D. How do we see the underground? It is impossible to directly observe most of the subsurface. Instead, geologists rely on well data, seismic surveys, and geological maps. These pieces of information are like pieces of puzzle. The geologist's task is to combine those pieces and create the complete picture of what lies beneath the underground. This is also why two geologists can sometimes produce different interpretations from the same dataset. What does 3D thinking mean? Imagine being given only a few pages of information and being asked to reconstruct an entire building. Geology works in a similar way. A geologist must visualize how rock layers are arranged, how faults can through the subsurface, and how geological structures continue at depth. This goes for far beyond reading a map. It requires building a three-dimensional image of the underground world in your mind. Look at this. Why it is important in oil and gas exploration. Oil and gas don't accumulate randomly underground. They are trapped within specific geological structures. If a geologist cannot directly visualize these structures, a well may completely miss its target. In some cases, millions of dollars can be spent drilling a well that fails simply because the subsurface model has inaccurate. This is why 3D geological modeling has become a critical part of modern oil and gas exploration. Modern geology and petrol. Today, geologists use advanced software to better understand the subsurface. One example is petrol, where seismic data, well information, and geological interpretations are integrated into a three-dimensional model. Instead of looking at the flat map, geologists can visualize underground structures, analyze them, and make more informed decisions. Conclusion: the work of geologists is much more reading maps. A geologist, someone who visualizes an invisible world beneath the Earth's surface and analyzes it in 3 dimensions. That is why geologists don't think in maps, they think in 3D. It is the only way to understand what is really happening underground. The world we see on the surface is 2 dimensional, but the world geologists' work is in 3 dimensions. Perhaps that's why geology is not only a science, but also a form of detective work. That's all for today. I hope you got new information from the video. Thanks for watching.